Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is histograms with frequency density. When class widths are unequal, the height of the bar can't just be the frequency. You need frequency density. By the end of this video, you'll know how to calculate it and read areas off the chart. Definition. Frequency density equals frequency divided by class width. So a class with frequency 20 and width 5 has density of 4. A class with frequency 20 but width 10 has density 2. Same frequency, different density, because the area, not the height, has to represent the frequency. Key insight. The area of each bar, height times width, represents the frequency. Height alone would be misleading when widths differ. So if your graph has bars of unequal width, you must scale the height down using frequency density. Total area equals total frequency every time. Common mistake. Plotting the raw frequency as the height when the class widths are unequal. You'll get a misleading picture with the wide bars looking way too tall. Always check the class widths first. If they're all equal, you can use frequency. If they differ, you must use frequency density. Quick example. Class width 5, frequency 20, density is 4. Class width 10, frequency 20, density is 2. Both bars represent 20 data points, but the second bar is half the height. Because it's twice as wide, the area still equals 20.